Hi, I'm Danielle Hale, Chief Economist for Realtor.com, and here are this Independence Day week's things you need to know. The June jobs report was out today and showed continued improvement, with more jobs being added and the unemployment rate falling. While we're moving in the right direction, there are still many more workers looking for jobs than a normal market. In fact, we're still above records set in previous recessions for unemployment rates. The weekly data on insurance claims continues to show job losses at higher than normal levels, so while the market is healing, it's still far from well. Fed Chair Powell and others testified before Congress this week on the response to the pandemic and noted that while recent economic data offers some positive signs, the continued challenge will be the need to keep the virus in check. Turning to housing data, pending home sales soared in May, while purchase mortgage applications declined slightly. Taken together, these early-stage indicators suggest that home buyers remain active in the housing market and will likely measure an improvement in home sales in the June data. The Realtor.com June housing trends report showed that buyers still outnumber sellers, which is causing the gap in time on market to shrink, prices to grow at a faster pace than pre-COVID, and the number of homes available for sale to decrease by more than last month. These trends play out similarly in the most recent weekly data, with the change in time on market being most notable. In the most recent week, homes sat on the market just 7 days longer than last year, whereas the rest of June saw homes sit 2 weeks or more longer than last year. The Realtor.com Recovery Index, which tracks how well the US and top 50 housing markets have returned to pre-COVID conditions, found that 12 of the 50 largest markets have surpassed the January recovery baseline, with the greatest improvements in Boston, San Francisco, Seattle, Denver, and Philadelphia. Several of these markets have seen a good recovery in new listings or sellers, which is driving their overall improvement. The housing market has plenty of buyers who would benefit from a few more sellers. If the virus can be contained and home prices continue to grow, this may help bring sellers back to the housing market. My team and I will continue to track these stats and keep you up to date. Have a question about the economy or housing market you want answered? Ask away. Happy Independence Day.